Hey everybody, welcome to the channel where we talk about 3D printed airplanes. This video is about updates to the power pod for all the SoarKraft models and the Igneous hotliner. Please like and subscribe, it really helps the channel out, and we do subscriber giveaways. So we have some new models, and some new options, and some new wing sets, and it was time to update the power pod to make it better and stronger. So the updated power pod can still be used with any of the SoarKraft tail configurations and comes standard with the Igneous model. So the biggest difference in the new design is the wing saddle, in that it now has an integral pocket for the servos for under the wing. Whereas before, they were in a separate servo tray that was stuffed in. And there was also a vented midsection. Has now all been integrated into the wing saddle. Give it some more room, better access to the servos, and just less parts. Very strong. There's now a vent on the bottom and a pocket in the back that also has push rod sheath holders for both sides. 2 servo setup, you need to use the 4.5 gram or smaller servos with an adapter plate, and they fit right in. This is good for both the ruddered version and the V-tail. And now you have all the space under the wing saddle for larger 8-channel radios, different sizes. Even the oddly shaped 8-channel FR Sky radios fit underneath the wing. So the other notable change in the PowerPod parts are the addition of some carbon support channels that connect to the upper support rods that run along the wing saddle by the wing bolts. And this adds some strength and durability to the fuse and was inspired by this guy, which is running a 2836 motor with a 4S battery and a 40 amp ESC. And it probably could have handled it without the extra support, but it just flies so fast and is just so powerful. I felt like it needed a little bit more support. And this will be the subject of another video, so keep watching. Well, that's it for the overview of the PowerPod version 3. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.